Wondering where your save files are for Spider-Man: Shattered Dimensions from AnkerGames? Let's take a quick look. First, make sure you launch Spider-Man: Shattered Dimensions and create at least one save. This ensures the game generates the save folder on your PC. All games on AnkerGames store their save files locally. This means your progress in Spider-Man: Shattered Dimensions is safe, even if you reinstall the game or the launcher. I'll show you exactly where the save files for Spider-Man: Shattered Dimensions are stored. These paths are only for games from AnkerGames. Saves from other sources might be in different locations. You can easily back up the Spider-Man: Shattered Dimensions save files by copying the folder. Store it on a USB or cloud drive, and you can restore it anytime.
Spider-Man, that's what I do. I break bones. Say uncle! See ya! Wouldn't want to be ya. Nice warm-up, guys. Thanks. Spidey's still mighty.
Escape me!
Here's some for you. Victory!
That solves that.
Did you see that? Oh, what did I just say?
And that's it, your Spider-Man: Shattered Dimensions saves from AnkerGames are local, safe, and easy to manage. Follow for more tips on getting the most out of your games.